Alright, time for another frittata. My spray's almost out. We have some leftover carrots, some leftover cucumber. This was julienne. There's our little bit of crunch for our frittata. We don't have anything green, so we're using our leftovers. These are the ingredients that go into sushi. Alright. Looks yummy. Let's do a quick pause for the cause, and we'll throw our eggs on. Alright. We got some leftover barbecue chicken. We got leftover barbecue ribs, or rib meat. And I took a sausage, sliced that up. That one doesn't look broken up enough. Decorating the top of my frittata with some meat. We're going to give a quick push down, push the meat down into the eggs. A quick pause for the cause while I wash my hand. Alright, time to cheese it up. A little cheddar. This is a binding agent on the top. And it's time to cook my frittata. Yummy. Hopefully we do a chef challenge.